and welcome to weather. A wetter than average June is what we are looking toward, with a high probability for above normal number of storms and hurricanes during the 2024 Atlantic hurricane season. And first up, we are monitoring a tropical wave as it moves from the central Atlantic, however, poses no threat to us, but this may trigger the start of the wet and Atlantic hurricane season, so start those preparations. So checking to the satellite image across the Les Antilles for this outlook period, the major synoptic feature would be the approach of this tropical wave towards Trinidad and Tobago, the Windward Islands and the southern Leeward Islands. Now the axis of this tropical wave is now positioned near 44 degrees Celsius west longitude and is moving westward at approximately 15 to 20 knots. So this wave is expected to reach Trinidad and Tobago on Saturday, 25th May. And while there might be cloudy patches with some showers before this axis, most of the heavier showers are likely to occur on Sunday, 26th of May, and in the convergence just after the axis, with the risk for the development of isolated thunderstorms. So while this tropical wave poses no threat to us at this time, we'll see some of that showery activity from this, possibly triggering the start of the wet and Atlantic hurricane season. Also note that with the occurrence of heavy showers or thunderstorms, winds can become gusty and street or flash flooding is likely. And if there is any prolonged rainfall in elevated areas, the risk of landslips or landslides becomes elevated. So please watch out for that. Meanwhile, at this time, this wave is also contending with Saharan dust, which could have an effect on its extent and intensity. Now, the present Saharan dust concentration in the atmosphere is generally mild to occasionally moderate, but after the passage of this tropical wave, a surge of Saharan dust of moderate to high concentration can be expected. So if you are sensitive, also look out for this change. But until then, checking with current conditions, Piaku had a high at 33.7 degrees Celsius, right now at 32, and Crown Point's high was 31.1, but right now it's at 30 degrees Celsius. Now for tonight's forecast in Tobago, watch for fair night but warm with a 26 degrees Celsius at Crown Point. And here in Trinidad tonight, temperatures will drop to a low at 25 degrees Celsius. Also, along with these fair conditions, you can also expect some brief isolated late night showers. Now looking ahead to Friday in Tobago, watch for long, hot and fair conditions alongside a daytime high at 32 degrees Celsius over in Tobago. And here in Trinidad tomorrow, you can expect a max of 34 degrees Celsius again, but it is going to feel hot with all that humidity to factor in. So more feeling like a 39, so keep hydrated. Now, though Trinidad will also have those hot and fair conditions, these may be interrupted at times by a few partly cloudy skies, all along with light to moderate showers favoring more your hilly areas. Now, in the extended outlook Saturday, watch for those partly cloudy skies from late morning with light to moderate showers, and also that chance of the isolated afternoon thunderstorm, but more favoring southern areas of Trinidad. Then into your Sunday, we'll see those conditions continuing, so partly cloudy to mostly cloudy with scattered showers or rain, still with that chance of the isolated thunderstorm, but improving as your night progresses. Now, tomorrow, seas are still moderate with waves up to 2 meters in open waters and 1 meter in sheltered areas. Then looking at your high tides, Port of Spain will have 3:57 a.m. and 5:15 p.m. for your high tides, while low tides will be at 10:49 a.m. and 10:30 p.m. And over at Scarborough, high tides will be at 3:25 a.m. and 4:33 p.m. with your low tides at 10:15 a.m. and back with 3:53 p.m. So to end now, till the hurricane season nears, the rains are rolling in so soon, so please start preparing. Back to you, Keisha.